Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Ps5 firmware and Apple Music app are up to date. That prevents compatibility errors. Next, connect both your Ps5 and Apple device to the same Wi-Fi network. Using 5 GHz helps reduce dropouts. Sign into the same Apple ID on the Music app and enable any sharing features so the console recognizes your library. Once done, restart the Apple Music app on the Ps5 to let it detect your account and network settings. Now you authorize and initiate playback. On the Ps5, open Apple Music, select Sign In, and input any on-screen code shown. This pairs the account. If you prefer AirPlay, pull up Control Center on your iPhone and pick the Ps5 as the target device. This streams directly. Make sure the Ps5 audio output is set to the correct port and set volume levels to prevent clipping. Once streaming starts, test playback for 10-20 seconds to confirm stable audio and connection. To finish, confirm playback controls work with your DualSense and that metadata shows properly. This verifies a full connection. If you hit stutter or dropouts, restart the Ps5 and router and toggle AirPlay or sign out and back into the app. For stubborn issues, clear the app cache or reinstall Apple Music on the console because corrupted files can block playback. Key troubleshooting tip: switch to wired Ethernet if wireless latency persists. This often resolves buffering and keeps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.